Hi everyone! Welcome! It's me again, Dawn, and for today's video, guys, I'm gonna be sharing to you how I do my tourism makeup look using affordable products. So if you wanna know, then please keep on watching. So in this video, guys, as what I have said on my intro, this is a tourism makeup look, but this is also what I usually do, or similar lang siya kapag nag-apply ako ng airline as a flight attendant. So you know, I'm not yet a cabin crew, I'm still an aspirant. But of course, I'm gonna be sharing to you today in order for you to also know how to do the makeup, because it's really a must in this course, especially if you really wanted to pursue in this kind of industry. Grooming is really important, okay? So even though sinasabi hindi ako marunong, how will you learn if you don't try, diba? Practice lang ng practice until you will be able to make it perfectly. So first, let's start with sanitizing our hands. Let's all make sure that our hands are clean, especially right now that we are still in a pandemic. And of course, to avoid breaking out. Kasi ako, when I was still a student, sobrang dami kong pimples. Right now, I'm actually using a contact lens. Medyo namula pa yung dito na part kasi di talaga ako naglalagay ng contact lens, guys. But I want to learn something. I wanted to at least hone my makeup skills. Kasi iba talaga yung makeup tignan kapag may contact lens. I'm pretty sure naman na sa school, hindi naman bawal ang contact lens pag college na. First, let's start by, I'm using this one. This is from Human Nature Lip Scrub kasi sobrang putla ng lips ko. Also, guys, if you wanna know kung saan ko binili itong contact lens ko, I'm gonna put the link in the description box. I just bought this in Shopee for only 200 pesos. Plus something. What I really like about it is it's so lightweight and it looks natural, especially in person, but dito sa camera sobrang halata. So this is just best for filming. Remove it, parang dead skin sa lips, and para pag nilagay na natin yung lipstick later on, smooth lang siya. After exfoliating our lips, we're gonna put some lip balm. This is from V-Line Cosmetics. I'm in the shade pink. This is their Stain Glossy Balm. So, color pink to siya, guys. Tatanggalin din natin to siya later on. Para lang talaga at least moisturize yung lips natin, because we're going to use matte products, so we need to make sure that our lips are moisturized. Now, we are going to proceed on our face. Let's just clean it first. May pimple ako dito. It's normal. Normal lang magka-pimples. My skin is not perfect. As what I have said kanina, I suffered from acne. So if you wanna know how I was able to overcome my acne journey, I'm gonna put as well the link in the description box. Next, I'm gonna be using this Lux Organics, the Beauty Mist by Miss Anne Klutz, just to hydrate. Maraming nagtatanong sa akin kung need ba talaga or required ba talaga na clear skin if ever you are a tourism student. I kept on answering this question on my previous vlogs. I also made frequently asked questions about this course. I'm gonna put the link in the description box. Next, we're going to proceed on our base Superstay 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation from Maybelline. We're just going to use 2 pumps of it. Hindi na konti lang. You know what, guys, in this course, you don't need to have a clear skin. What you need to do is you have to know how to handle or carry yourself. You need to know the basic grooming. As in, kailangan talaga kasi sa tourism na course, may mga events kayong sasalihan and you need to look formal. You need to look neat. Maraming students ang dadalawang isip to enroll in this course kasi nga, they were thinking na it has its standard na dapat perfect ka. Dapat parang model yung tsura mo. Hindi naman ganun, guys. Parang discrimination naman ata yun kasi, diba, we're not giving the chance to those students na who wanted to learn in this course. Pero, pag sa pagiging flight attendant, guys, it's a requirement. We are done with our foundation. Now, let us proceed to our concealer. I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm in a shade Fair. Sa base, guys, please don't put sobrang kapal na base para maiwasan yung magiging cakey. You don't have to be an expert pag makeup as long as you know how to at least fix yourself, kasi it's really important, guys, especially pag nag-a-apply ka na ng work in the future. Hayaan muna natin mababad yung concealer natin para mas kakapit siya. Let's proceed to our eyebrow. I'm using this Ang Ganda All Day by Vice Cosmetics. If you wanted to know how is the performance of this eyebrow and why I recommend this, I'm gonna put the link in the description box. Alam niyo ba, pang twice ko tong film na content na to kasi yung first ko kasi gumana yung ring light ko, so I was expecting na okay lang, walang ring light. We are done with our brows. I'm just gonna try to remove the lip balm na lang kasi parang sobrang pink talaga. May pigment kasi yan na lip balm eh. Tignan nyo, hindi siya natatanggal kagad. What I don't like is sobrang bright lang talaga ng pagka-pink niya na parang hindi ko masyado bet tignan. Don't drag too much kasi it's not good on your skin. So I keep on reminding myself not to do that kasi paminsan I tend to forget. So, diba? Lifted yung face natin. Charat! Lagyan ko muna ng concealer sa eyebrows ko para at least parang ma-clean siya. But disclaimer lang, guys, I'm not an expert. Lagay muna ako ng mist again. Next, let's do the cream contour and cream blush. I'm using this Get Ready With Me. I'm in a shade 33. I'm gonna be using as well this colorette in a shade Bonnie as my blush. And of course, ang ating paliparang pangdaigdig. Wow. Tangos yarn. Look. Ah! Instant ano eh. Rhinoplasty. Diba? I told you, ma-enhance talaga yung beauty mo pag marunong kang mag-makeup. Magayos sa sarili mo. That's what I usually do kapag nag-a-apply ako. Kasi similar din naman eh. Kaya usually, most of the tourism students, yung bet talaga is yung pagiging cabin crew. Kasi usually naman, I keep on saying usually, kasi usually naman talaga, mga activity sa tourism student. Related kasi talaga siya sa pagiging flight attendant. So, seems like you gotta prepared like ganito sa pag-aayos on how you handle yourself. But hindi naman requirement na if you wanted to become a flight attendant, tourism na lang talaga yung para sa'yo. Or ang dapat mong kunin. Whatever course you took, as long as you were able to meet the standards of the airline, then you're good to go. Maglalagay muna tayo ng powder para to set the concealer. I'm using actually this Detail Cosmetics translucent powder. As students, diba, we need to be resourceful. So, what I use sa contour at saka sa blush, yun yung gagamitin natin sa eyes. So, dito, brown. This side naman is pink. Oh! Kayo, if ever you are studying na this course, why did you take this course? I encourage you to comment below and share why you took this course. Kasi diba, we have different reasons. Ako talaga, I took this course kasi hindi ko ma-explain eh. Shinare ko pa, hindi ko naman pala ma-explain. I'm gonna use this highlight muna from Blythe. I'm gonna be using, I think, this one for my eyes. Put some shimmer inner corner ng ating eyes. I'm gonna be using this one. Para mas matangos tignan yung long natin, dito natin lagyan ng highlights. And then dito. Huwag mo siya yung i-connect kasi hindi siya nakakatangos tignan. I almost forgot to put the eyeliner, which is also really important. I'm gonna be using this Care line. God bless sa akin. Paano ko to mapo-perfect? Lalagyan ko pa ng shimmer itong eyes ko. So, I'm gonna be using this one. For the lower lash line naman, we're gonna be using, I think, this one, the darker shade. Let's proceed on our mascara. I'm gonna be using this Fashion 21. Yeah, 21. Fashion 21. Yeah. Para sa ating eyelashes na napakaikli. Let's proceed on our lipstick, but it depends on the color that you wanted to wear or kung anong bagay sa uniform nyo. You could use pink, nude lipstick, you can use red. But as of now, let's try the pink one. This is from Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. Para magamit ko naman to. Kasi yung color niya lang yung lip balm. Later na natin itatry yung color red. I'm gonna fix my hair first. Now, ano ba yung mga gagamitin ko? First, this is the bobby pin. Parang donut. And yung tali. And of course, this is the parang invisible hairnet. This is super nice when you wear it kasi parang hindi ka naglalagay ng hairnet. You can actually buy this one sa department store. But this one kasi parang bigay lang to sa akin when I was still having my flight attendant training. That was way 2018. Diba? Sobrang tagal na. Also, I'm gonna be using this Stylex styling gel. I really love this kasi hindi siya kagaya ng ibang gel na sobrang tigas ng hair mo. I really love this. And most of the flight attendants use this one, and also it's so affordable. Now, let's start fixing our hair. Lalagyan pa natin dito yung mga baby hair. Using this one. So, lagyan mo natin hairpin. Then, this one. Hindi perfect yung sa likod. Basta ganun yung process. Kayo na mag-perfect. At least nabigyan ko kayo ng idea kung paano. Magta-touch up lang ako and I'll be back.
Where did you go when I needed you most? Where did you go when I needed you most?
That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you have learned something from it, and I have realized that I think red looks better than pink. So, thank you so much. Huwag lang po tayong sumuko sa ating mga pangarap. Let's continue to strive harder and reach for our dreams and goals in life. And I know that in God's time, He will grant your heart's desire. In His ways, in His time, not our ways, not our time. Let's just hold on to the beautiful promise that He has for us. So, whatever rejections we encountered, whatever failures, whatever detours we have, always know that He always has its purpose. If you have questions, suggestions, or clarifications, please don't be hesitant to comment it below, and I'm going to read and answer all of those. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell beside it so that you will be notified on my next videos just like this one. Always remember, you are beautiful in your own special way. Bye! See you guys on my next one.